Welcome to the Getting Started series for Peernet's Document Conversion Service. There are 5 videos in this series. Video 2 covers how to configure Document Conversion Service, DCS for short. Right now we are on Peernet.com on the Document Conversion Service product page. As you can see, Document Conversion Service supports conversion of many different file formats. Some conversions are built in or included with DCS, while others use installed third-party applications, such as Adobe Reader and Microsoft Office. DCS will initially try and start converters for each built-in conversion format and for any detected third-party applications. The running converters are actively monitored with multiple instances starting as needed, and any unused converters shut down after an hour to reduce the application footprint and resources use. DCS can be run with the default settings. However, if you know you only need to convert certain file types, you can tell DCS to start only the converters you are actively using. To show you how easy this is, we are going to modify the DCS configuration file so that only Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Adobe Reader will be started. This means we are only converting Word, Excel, and PDF documents. This helps optimize our conversion performance and keeps system resources use at a minimum. To open the DCS configuration file, open the Programs menu. Click on Document Conversion Service and select Edit DCS Configuration File. The configuration file will open in Notepad. Each application has its own Application Factory section and can be enabled or disabled individually. The quickest way to ensure that DCS only starts the applications you need, in this case Word, Excel, and Adobe Reader, is to use Find and Replace to disable all the applications and then only enable those that you need. Scroll down to the first Application Factory configuration section and copy the line Add Name equals Enabled Value equals Auto to the clipboard by highlighting it and pressing Ctrl-C. Open the Find and Replace screen by pressing Ctrl-H and then paste the copied line into both fields. Now change Auto in the second field to False. Then click Replace All. Now we have disabled all applications. In order to enable those that we want, scroll down to the Application Factory section for Word and change the Enabled setting to True. Do the same for Excel and Adobe Reader. And then save the file. Now, DCS will only start instances of Word, Excel, and Adobe Reader at startup, freeing up system resources for conversion. It's important to remember that we could have changed the settings from false back to auto. But auto means that if the application required to convert the document is not operational or present on the system, DCS will start up without supporting this conversion. By setting it to true, we're telling DCS not to start if support for this conversion is not present on the system. Continue to the next tutorial in the Getting Started series, starting and verifying DCS, to start running DCS and ensure that it is operating correctly. We are always available to help with configuration and answer any questions you have about setup or the product. If you haven't done so already, follow the link below and download your free trial.